What number of inadequate objectives do you presently have on your plan? In the event that you're in any way similar to most by far of us, at that point chances are that you have several ventures that you began and never finished, endless objectives that you told your companions, however never observed through, and a wide range of dreams that appear to get less and less inclined to happen as expected. Furthermore, it's thus that you may discover individuals feign exacerbation when you let them know your next enormous venture. At the point when you start another preparation program to get more fit and everybody, including you, realizes that you're probably going to have lost enthusiasm by month 2. Or on the other hand, when you talk about the application you mean to make, the site, or the business venture. Or then again when you talk about that fantasy outing to Japan. This is the method of things for a considerable lot of us. We take a stab at things we don't feel energetically about just to put food on the table. However, with regards to satisfying our fantasies, we are strikingly ineffectual. It's time to vary all that and to start out making those goals happen. But how are you able to turn it all around? Just download the book, and you can find it in the description box for free. Do not forget to like this video, and subscribe to the channel to receive all new and exclusive, enjoyable reading.